This Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 motorhome can live off-grid for 30 days and go places normal RVs can't. This is the 2026 Eura Mobil Xtura XT, a factory-built Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 motorhome designed to live completely off-grid for weeks and go where normal RVs physically can't. Built specifically for long-distance overland travel, this Xtura XT is not a concept, not a conversion, and not a soft roader. It's a production expedition motorhome engineered by Eura Mobil for serious terrain, extreme climates, and total self-sufficiency. The entire platform is based on the Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 with a 190 horsepower turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a reinforced chassis built to handle remote environments. The 686 EF model measures 6.88 meters long, 2.2 meters wide, and just over 3 meters tall, keeping it compact enough for narrow trails while still offering a full residential interior. The body uses a GRP composite construction with an 85mm thick floor, eliminating cold bridges and providing high torsional rigidity. This isn't a seasonal camper, it's a true four-season motorhome built for year-round use. Powering this Xtura XT is a 2.0-liter Mercedes diesel producing 190 horsepower, paired with intelligent all-wheel drive. The vehicle has a permissible gross weight of 4,100 kilograms, with an optional escape version increasing that to 4,450 kilograms for more payload and tougher off-road hardware. Towing capacity is rated at 2,000 kilograms, and the 92-liter fuel tank supports extended travel between refueling stops. Off-road capability is where this Xtura XT separates itself from standard motorhomes. The all-wheel drive system, reinforced underbody, and high ground clearance allow it to travel confidently on gravel, sand, snow, and uneven terrain. Optional all-terrain tires and Delta rims further enhance traction, while the Escape package adds underbody protection plates for the engine, transmission, and fuel tank, along with a Snorkel for water crossings and a full recovery kit. Inside, the focus shifts from ruggedness to long-term comfort without sacrificing durability. The interior is finished with premium materials, including optional genuine leather upholstery, and every surface is designed to withstand real travel conditions. The layout in the 686 EF includes two single beds that convert into a large double, offering flexible sleeping arrangements and generous underbed storage for expedition gear. The kitchen is fully equipped for off-grid living, featuring a 2-burner gas hob combined with an induction hob, allowing you to cook efficiently whether running on gas or battery power. A tall 146-liter compressor refrigerator provides enough capacity for extended trips, while soft-close drawers and intelligent storage make daily use practical even in rough conditions. Water autonomy is a major highlight. The Xtura XT carries 145 liters of fresh water and 105 liters of wastewater, both insulated and heated for winter use. This allows travel in freezing temperatures without worrying about frozen tanks or plumbing failures. The central bathroom uses a swiveling wall system that converts the space into a full shower, maximizing functionality without increasing the footprint. Heating is handled by an Alde central heating system with heated floors, delivering consistent warmth throughout the cabin. This is the same type of heating found in high-end European motorhomes and is ideal for cold climates and long stays off-grid. Energy independence is where this Xtura XT becomes truly self-sufficient. A standard 330 amp-hour lithium battery provides enough stored power to run the living area for approximately 20 to 30 days, depending on usage. A Victron Multiplus 3000 inverter delivers up to 2,400 watts of continuous 230-volt power, allowing you to run household appliances without external hookups. Solar panels are integrated into the roof rack system, and the vehicle is pre-wired for additional portable solar panels. This modular setup allows owners to expand their energy system based on travel style and climate. All systems are monitored and controlled through a central digital interface, accessible via a control panel, tablet, or smartphone. Navigation and vehicle systems are managed using Garmin technology, including the Bus control system and optional Garmin Tread overland navigation with worldwide satellite imagery. This setup is designed specifically for off-road travel and remote navigation, not standard road use. Externally, this Xtura XT is built for modularity and utility. The roof rack supports expedition gear and integrated solar, while the rear's Xtura carrier system allows mounting of spare wheels, storage boxes, fuel cans, or sports equipment. Factory-installed perimeter lighting delivers over 21,000 lumens, providing full visibility around the vehicle in dark or remote environments. Seating is configured for 3 passengers with proper 3-point seat belts, making it suitable for long journeys. Payload capacity in the standard version is approximately 780 kilograms, ensuring enough capacity for supplies, tools, and adventure equipment. The 2026 Eura Mobil Xtura XT is not designed for campgrounds, short trips, or casual touring. It is built for travelers who demand autonomy, durability, and real off-road performance in a fully integrated motorhome. This is what a true expedition-grade, factory-built 4x4 motorhome looks like. The 2026 Eura Mobil Xtura XT isn't built for campgrounds or shortcuts. It's built for people who want total freedom, real off-road capability, and the confidence to disappear off-grid without giving up comfort. If this video helped you understand what the 2026 Eura Mobil Xtura XT is really built for, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel reach more people who love rail off-grid travel. Subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns of expedition vehicles, motorhomes, and overland machines like this, and share this video with anyone who dreams of traveling without limits. And let me know in the comments, would you take this off-grid, or is it too extreme for your kind of travel?